Drivve Image is a scanning and imaging solution that adds automation to your scanning workflows. In busy offices such as law firms, doctors' offices, or even accounting departments, scanning documents such as depositions, case documents, patient records, and even general documents like invoices and purchase orders is critical to their business. Making this process more efficient can substantially reduce costs. Here's the problem with typical scanning. Most users have to do additional work after scanning the documents. Finding the scanned files, renaming them, emailing them, and copying them to other locations is difficult enough. Then, when needed, converting to editable documents or importing into a document management system can be very difficult for most people. With Drivve Image, the process can be completely automated so that users simply scan the documents and they are automatically converted and routed appropriately without the need to do any additional work to them. The documents are already where they should be, named correctly, and in the proper format. Let's talk about how it works. In this example, let's say it's an accounting department that scans 20 invoices per day. They keep the scanned invoices in the folders named by vendor with a due date folder in each of the vendor's folders. Today, they have to scan each invoice to email one at a time. They go back to their desk and open each email and save each attachment to a specific folder. They name each file with the vendor name and the due date and place it in a subfolder named with the due date. This takes a lot of time and can be confusing, which causes errors and mistakes. With Drivve Image, we can automate this so all they have to do is select the vendor name and the due date, and the rest of the work is automated for them. Here's how. To automate these invoices, we would simply press the menu button. We would select the application Drivve Image, and here we see three different custom scan workflows. For vendor invoices, the third one down is the one that we'll use today. I have several stacks of different invoices from different companies. So I'll select vendor invoices. I'm going to select the month due, September. I'm also going to select the vendor name. In this case, this is Jones Packaging. I'll select OK. Then I'll load the documents, and I'll press Scan. It's going to scan those documents, and then allow me to scan the next set of documents. To do that, I'll select Vendor Invoices again. The month due for this stack of invoices, also September. Select OK. And from the vendor list, I'll pick this vendor, which is City Hardware. Select City Hardware, select OK. I'll load the stack of invoices, and I'll press Scan. The documents are scanned as searchable PDFs to the vendor folder and organized by due date. In the previous process, the user would have to go back to their PC to convert the documents and then name them appropriately. In this case, the user is done and can go back to their PC to do other work. The accounting department can now access the folders for further invoice processing as needed. As you can see, the files are named appropriately and organized for appropriate processing. Here you see the City Hardware folder. Here's September, which I selected on the MFP op panel. And here you can see the invoices that have been scanned to this folder. Also, in this example, I've included XML files. These can be used to automatically import the documents into an accounting system or document management system for automated processing. With higher and higher volumes of scanning in industries like retail, healthcare, education, and government, the OKI Smart MFPs, combined with our Drivve Image Smart solution, will help you to scan documents effectively and very efficiently. I hope you found this information to be helpful on how Drivve can automate your scan process and save you money and time. For additional information on Drivve and OKI's mono and color MFPs equipped with the Smart Extendable platform, go to okidata.com or check out additional videos on the OKI YouTube channel.